Hello everyone! So ngayon po ay papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng simple burrata salad. So ayan yung beddings ng rocket leaves or arugula. And then after nilagyan ko siya ng grilled peach. So yung ating grilled peach or baked peach, ano yan, manamis-namis ang lasa niyan. And then after that is ilalagay naman natin ang ating candied tomatoes. So, cut in halves lang natin yung tomatoes. So, ilagay natin kahit saang part ng ating platter. And then, after that, is ilalagay naman natin ang ating caramelized pecan nuts. So, yan, ating caramelized pecan nuts is made up of with butter. And then, nilagyan ko siya ng honey. Or pwede rin gamitin yung maple syrup. Yan. So, ilagay lang natin kahit saan para maging maganda ang kanyang itsura. And then, after that is ilalagay naman natin ang dried cranberries. So, ang ating next sangkap is manamis-namis din na dried cranberries. So, ibuhos lang natin kahit saang area yung ating cranberries. Ayan, nagbibigay lasa yan sa ating burrata salad. So, after that, ilagay na natin ang pang main event. Siyempre, ang ating burrata cheese. So, ayan. Ilagay natin siya in the middle. And then, after that, sprinkle natin siya ng pomegranate. Yung fresh na pomegranate. So, yan, makikita nyo, napakaganda ng itsura ng ating salad. Napakasimple lang. And then, syempre, hindi matatapos ang burrata salad pag walang dressing. Ayan. So, ang ating dressing is made up of lemon, salt, pepper, pomegranate molasses, and some lemons. And then, napakasimple lang guys. Yan, napakasarap. Try nyo rin.